What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to rename a category in WordPress. So if you are a blogger, you may be familiar with categories. If you start using WordPress right now, you can see that WordPress by default comes with some categories that it automatically lists the new posts to this category. For example, if you go to your posts, you can click here at the quick edit or click on the post directly to see, but the category, it's really important to separate the post content and topics, and also for search engines. If you go to the post in the right sidebar of tools into your Gutenberg editor, you can see tags and categories. And by default, WordPress comes with this uncategorized. And if you write a new post and do not change it by default, this post gonna be set as uncategorized. Moreover, if you go to your WordPress panel, settings, writing, the very first option, default post category, gonna be uncategorized. Of course, you can change it if in the case that you want, but in this case, gonna be changing this category because I do not want the uncategorized. However, you cannot delete this, you need to change, you need to rename or edit. So go to your WordPress dashboard, posts category, find the uncategorized. As you can see, if you hover over this, you cannot delete like you can do with the others, but you can edit. Hover your mouse over this uncategorized, click on edit, and now start changing the name. In my case, I'm gonna type Visual Modo. This is gonna be the default category of my blog. In this log is the URL, the category dot. So use the same if possible. Now, if you go to the sidebar, you can see the categories. Instead of uncategorized, you can see Visual Modo. Let's click on it to test. Now, once on this log, you can see uncategorized in the page URL. And following this method, if you go to any post instead of uncategorized, you can see it's set as Visual Modo. Following this method, you can edit any other category of your blog in WordPress. And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And don't forget to check out the visualmodo.com portfolio of amazing WordPress themes. And I see you later. All the best!